Hey Will, Paul Cundiff here. Wanted to just show you the bottom is all sanded and ready for paint, and the paint came in today, so we're going to be getting that painted here in the next well, I don't know if it'll be today or not, because we're just about out of daylight today. But I also wanted to show you that your new deck vinyl is going on. Adrian and Matt are working hard on getting that installed. And I wanted to remind you, that we originally thought we had a limited amount of rot up here and a little bit of rot in the rub rails. And, we ended up replacing the rub rails from about right here all the way forward, and the same thing on the other side. We made that a separate project. And then, of course, we ended up replacing the entire decks up here. And we're back here, you'll see a little bit different color spot right there that we replaced part of those decks back there, and then leveled that all out nice and smooth. And again, your vinyl is going on right now. So we're going to come in under budget on the bottom painting. We're going to be at about half the budget, and then it looks like maybe a little more than half, but right about half what we had budgeted. And we're going to be spending what we saved on the bottom paint. We're going to be spending that on the extra work that we did on the decks, and the extra work that we did with the rub rail. So I just wanted to show you the progress, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.